guys, it's me, Liam from Boardbusters, and today we're going to be making a Mario Star pixel art. Merry Christmas, everyone! I just wanted to make this little star pixel art today. Christmas too. So what I want to do is, before I start, I just want to say please make sure to like and subscribe. And as you can see, we've got this back here. We've got a new green screen, and we have a nice little Minecraft background right there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, so help me get 4,000 watch hours just by watching my longer videos, and that will help me get monetized on YouTube. And there's a playlist on the channel. If you can watch that all the way through, again, that will help me get monetized on YouTube. So this is going to be very simple. All we're going to need is black concrete. You guys can pick whatever colors, orange and yellow colors you want. I'm doing orange terracotta and yellow terracotta. So I'm going to start off by doing kind of a L shape. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go up, put one right there. We're going to do that line. We're going to go by 2. Then we're going to go by another 2. And then we're going to go by another 2. Then we're going to go down by about 2 more. 1, 2. So it's kind of like the star pattern. Oh my word. Okay. Oops. Oh, there you go. And we will go 1, 2, 3. Put 1 up. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go up by 2. Up by another 2. And then up by about another 2. Again, 1, 2. Then we're going to go up by 1. Like that, 1, 2. Go up by another. Go across. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So we're going to go up by 2. 1, 2. Another 1. And then 1 more. Then we're going to go up by another 2. Going to go up by 1. Then we're going to go across by about 5. So just leave that one here. So just for measurements, we'll go 1 orange, and then we'll go by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go across about that 4 pretty much. And then that should be right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go up by 1 on this one. We're going to go up by 2. So I'm going to go across by 2, down by 2, and then 1 down. And then we're going to do like the same kind of pattern we already did. Hopefully that's right. Yay, it looks really good. Okay, so what we want to do is just make the eyes real quick. So I'm just going to kind of make a line across. We're going to go down, or actually, yeah, we're just going to go down right here by 2, or 3, sorry. Then we're going to skip 2, go down by 3. There we go. There is our star outline. So I just want to make some orange parts. So these are kind of the shade, the shading part. Oh, uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we're going to go like this. Kind of going to bring it down. Up by 2. Down by 2. Then kind of like that. Boom. Up by 2. Boom, boom. Alright, so I'm just going to fill the rest of the star in, and we will time-lapse this right now. Alright, there is our star. I filled it all in. Again, you guys can add whatever colors you want. I just kind of made, this is just kind of the shading. And there is our Mario Star pixel art. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.